Nevaeh. That's funny, you know why? Nevaeh? That's your name? That's my brother's name too. I don't know about that guy. Nevaeh, how you spell it? W. Huh? Oh, W then B. Hey, guess what? I know your last name. Look in my eyes. I can guess your last name. Look, focus right here. Look. Hold on. I can put my glasses on to know who you are. Look in my eyes. I'm gonna figure out your last name right now. Keep looking. That's her last name, huh?
Yeah.
Is that your last name?
Make a big wish and give the heart a kiss.
It is, huh? Man, these glasses don't work. They don't work for me anymore.
Put your heart inside. Did we want to
How old are you?
inside today?
Can I see this? Is it your
Your
birthday?
hair smell like peppermint, chocolate, strawberry,
What's your birthday?
and bubble gum. You want to smell my shoulder?
November the
You
6th.
can even wash the bear.
Cool. Nevaeh, what do you want your sound to be? In the hand, the middle, the feet?
Bubble gum?
The middle right there? Want to hold that for me? Nevaeh? Alright, you're how old? How old is your turn?
So what are
6?
you going to name it?
How long you been 6? How many years?
Name it anything you want.
Not that long? 6 years? You've been
You don't know
6
yet?
years?
All you know is it's a
Alright, on the count of 3, you're going to step on that pedal, okay? 1, step on the pedal. 1, 2, 3, step on the pedal. Step on the pedal. There you go. What happened? It moved away, huh? You wanted to have a little butt or big butt? Little butt, big butt. Don't look. Keep looking. Little butt, big butt. Little butt. Come on, big head, little head. Alright. Come on, big belly, little belly. Alright. You know how to dance?
You want it bubble gum?
Yeah? Bear does too. Alright. Is that soft enough for you? Get a big hug. Is that good? Good? Get a big hug. Jump 3 times for me. There you go. You can give the heart, give the bear a kiss. Alright. You gonna grab a heart for me? You wanna grab a heart?
You like that name?
Alright. Can I see your sound?
No?
Alright, birthday girl, this is what we're gonna do, okay? Since it's your birthday and you're the only person that gets to do this, okay? Can you shake the heart in there and wake it up? Rubbing your nose so it's soft. Rubbing your belly so it never goes hungry. Putting your hips wiggle like you're making a good dancer. Nope, you gotta do. Yeah, you're gonna be a good dancer. Keep going and gonna jump and keep going and jump. And say it's my birthday. You gotta say it's my birthday. I can't hear you.
It's my birthday.
No, you gotta keep going faster. Say it's my birthday.
It's my birthday.
Alright, close your eyes, make one wish, and give your heart a kiss. What'd you wish?
Alright, so we get to give him a
Don't tell me it's not gonna come true.
Step on the pedal.
It's your birthday? Oh, I forgot.
I got the next step.
Let's see. Does he have an I love you? So you're just gonna come to Build-A-Bear today? Did you have a birthday party or anything? You did? They used to have one. You got a lot of cake? No? Yeah? Thank you for mine. Should have brought me some. I gotta eat cotton all day. See this stuff? That's what they feed me. There you go. Happy birthday, give me 5. You have a good day, okay? You're very welcome, birthday girl.